How are you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely 2018 68 plate Kawasaki Z900. So 9,136 miles. It's an ABS model and it is the full power model as well. It's a part exchange that I've just brought in, and as you can see, it's covered in extras. So you've got a little fly screen on there, it's got a radiator guard, R&G protection, you've got the seat cowl, you've got the rear hugger, tail tidy, billet levers, bar end mirrors, and it's also got that lovely looking Akrapovic exhaust. Sounds fantastic. If you just rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it in the promo video. But they're a fantastic bike to ride, of these. If you have a look at the seat, it's actually quite a lot lower than the tank, so if you are a bit on the short side, really nice seating position for you. They're a lovely bike, really popular Z900s this year. So if you do want one, this is a lovely one to buy. If you do want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get it bought before someone else does. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.